If you're a process manufacturer with plants across multiple countries, optimizing performance while driving innovation and growth is essential, but not easy. That's why you need a reliable technology expert, a leader with deep understanding of your processes, the domain expertise to uncover insights, and the experience to integrate automation solutions to drive product consistency worldwide. After all, the processes you operate in one plant must be identical to the same processes in your other plants. As an expert provider of life sciences, technology, and services, Cytiva must ensure that the processes they operate in one plant are identical to those in their other plants. To achieve product consistency and maximize operational performance, they turn to ABB for support with their future resins manufacturing site in Muskegon, Michigan.
We have a long history together between ABB and Cytiva. It's about 25 to 30 years. It's really, really important, since what Cytiva is doing here in Muskegon is actually producing the same kind of product that they're doing in Uppsala. And in order to do that, you really need to know how to program those recipes to get that result. So that close cooperation in Sweden are very much important also in Muskegon, where we are taking the product into Muskegon.
So when we produce resins, it's a number of different skill sets that are required. Not only chemistry and how to manufacture in complex industrial systems, but also how we monitor and drive our processes and automate to have consistency with our processes. And this is really where ABB is coming into the picture, because we have worked with ABB for many years as our automation and software partner for resin manufacturing. We want to set up these operations also in the US to bring that security supply to them. So we have multi-site resin manufacturing where we produce identical products that are going to be distributed and supplied from 2 sites globally.
To ensure product consistency and maximize operational performance, Cytiva needed a solution that would seamlessly integrate across their global operations. With ABB's automation solutions, Cytiva is able to ensure consistent, high-quality production across multiple sites, driving efficiency and performance in their global operations. What's your challenge?